In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refine selection in Affinity Photo. If you've ever tried to cut out hair, fur, leaves, or any fine detail and ended up with jagged or messy edges, this walkthrough will help you get clean, natural results without a lot of trial and error. Start by making a rough selection of your subject. You can use the selection brush tool to paint it in. Flood select if the tones are distinct, or the marquee and lasso tools for more geometric or freehand areas. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to include the subject broadly so the refining tools have something to work with. With the selection active, open the Refine controls. In the context toolbar at the top, click Refine, or go to the Select menu and choose Refine Edges. This brings up the Refine dialog, which is where the real polish happens. First, switch the preview mode to a view that helps you see the edge clearly. Overlay is great when you want to keep the image visible, while black matte or white matte can reveal halos or missed areas. Try toggling between them as you adjust. Use border width to define how far from the edge Affinity analyzes for detail. Increasing it can help capture wispy strands. Reducing it avoids pulling in background noise. Smooth reduces small jagged bumps along the edge. A touch goes a long way. Feather gently softens the transition, which helps the cutout blend more naturally, but too much can blur your subject. Ramp shifts the edge in or out. If you see a light or dark halo, a slight negative. Ramp pulls the edge inward. Push it outward if you're losing important detail. For complex areas, switch to the adjustment brush inside the dialog. In foreground mode, paint to add more of the subject. In background mode, paint to remove unwanted areas. The matte option helps the software separate tricky edges like hair or fine leaves from the background. Use a brush size that matches the detail, zoom in, and make slow, deliberate strokes along the boundary. Once you're happy with the edge, choose how you want to output the result at the bottom of the dialog. Selection keeps refining the active selection. Mask applies a mask to your current layer for non-destructive editing. New layer cuts the selection to its own layer. New layer with mask does both, giving you flexibility to tweak later. Pick what fits your workflow, then click. Apply to commit. That's it. Clean, precise selections with smooth, natural edges, ready for compositing or retouching.